Carrot cake recipe. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 3. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 4. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 5. 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 6. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 7. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. 8. 1 cup granulated sugar. 9. 1 cup packed light brown sugar. 10. 4 large eggs. 11. 1 cup vegetable oil. 12. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 13. 2 cups finely grated carrots. 14. 1 cup crushed pineapple, drained. 15. 1/2 cup sweetened shredded coconut. 16. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional. For cream cheese frosting. 1. 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. 2. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 3. 4 cups powdered sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Prep requirements. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger until well combined. 3. In a large bowl, whisk together the granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined and smooth. 4. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to the wet sugar mixture, and stir until just combined. 5. Stir in the grated carrots, crushed pineapple, shredded coconut, and chopped walnuts or pecans, if using, until evenly distributed in the batter. 6. Divide the batter equally between the prepared cake pans and smooth the tops with a spatula. For cream cheese frosting. 1. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and butter together with an electric mixer on medium speed until creamy and smooth. 2. Gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and continue to beat on low speed until well combined. 3. Stir in the vanilla extract and beat on medium speed until the frosting is light and fluffy. Assembly. 1. Once the cakes are completely cooled, place 1 cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. 2. Spread a generous layer of cream cheese frosting over the top of the cake layer. 3. Spread a thin layer of frosting over the entire cake to create a crumb coat that will help seal in the crumbs. 4. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to set the crumb coat. 5. After the crumb coat has set, spread a thick layer of frosting over the entire cake, covering the crumb coat and creating a smooth finish. 6. Decorate the cake with additional chopped walnuts or pecans, if desired. 7. Slice and serve the carrot cake, and enjoy the maximum taste and flavor of this delicious dessert. How to easily prepare the cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese frosting is a luscious and tangy topping that pairs perfectly with carrot cake. Here's an easy recipe to prepare cream cheese frosting. Ingredients. 1. 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. 2. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 3. 4 cups powdered sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, using an electric mixer on medium speed, beat the softened cream cheese and butter together until creamy and smooth. 2. Gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and continue to beat on low speed until well combined. 3. Add the vanilla extract and beat on medium speed until the frosting is light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Taste the frosting and adjust the sweetness or vanilla flavor to your preference. 5. Once the desired consistency is achieved, the cream cheese frosting is ready to be used. If you prefer a thinner glaze-like consistency for your carrot cake, you can add a splash of milk or cream to the frosting and mix until you reach your desired consistency. Keep in mind that a thinner frosting may be more suitable for drizzling over the cake as a glaze, while a thicker frosting is ideal for spreading between cake layers and on top of the cake for a more traditional frosting.